Mama uSima ubona some imperfection kumama uNkosi. Don't be quick to play iharp. But i-weakness oyidiscover kumama uNkosi isikutshela ukuthi come back to yourself now and check with, oh Lord, where am I? Is there such in me? That's why I believe in teaching practical faith. That's why once you discover ubuthaka kumzalwane, what should you do? Take a pause and do introspection. Oh Lord, what about me? Is there such in me? Uzothothi kuwe ku 2 times then. Usuyabona ukungajaji iqalaphi. Angithi ke. Ngiyocela inye ibandla. Uyabona kusuka pho ukungahlulela umzalwane wakho. Awumhluleli ngoba uthambile ulungile uthandaza kakhulu. Ukungahluleli kuvezwa ukuthi lento oyibonile ngaye uthatha isibuko wasiphendula kuwe. What, oh Holy Spirit, search me. Search me, oh Spirit. And alo ababuya shesha kaqamba ma uzothi you are worse than her. As a result usuzothola isidingo ke manje sokuthi kulobuthakathaka obubonile kumzalwane uqala umnxusela. Awuyayibo angani ngitshengisa iprocess nje.